In February of 2023, IFAS Extension paired up with a website called SoilKit.com. You're able to get these soil kits either at our office or go on the website. The neat thing about these soil testing kits, it takes 1 to 2 business days to get the results back, and you can even geolocate your address so that it can break down per square foot how much fertilizers, lime, anything like that can be mixed into your soil. Today we're going to go over what's in the packet and how to use it. When you first open your soil testing kit, you will notice there are collection instructions. These are step-by-step procedures on how to register your soil kit, how to take your collection, and then how to mail your soil testing kit to the laboratory. Next, you will find the soil sample bag. It has a unique code on the front of it that you will need when you register the kit online. You will need about half a pint of soil in the bag for the laboratories to be able to test. We're going to look at how to register your soil testing kit. First, you're going to go to SoilKit.com. Wait for that website to pull up. It will say SoilKit, a Warner family partner. Go over to Register Kit and click on it. They're going to ask for an email and password. If you don't have that, you can scroll down to create an account. Put in a good email, a password, and then confirm that password and click Create Account. You should be able to return to the login section, type in your email and password, and then you'll be able to register your soil kit with your unique code located on the front of the sample bag. A unique feature of this soil testing kit is that it comes with a prepaid mailing label as well as a mailing bag. You will put your brown soil testing kit bag in this mailer, put it in the mailbox, and put the red flag up and wait for the post office to come and take it to the laboratory.